Sacred Heart School, 5th Standard, English. Though many of us enjoy eating all kinds of fruits, but our favorite ones are strawberries. Isn't that true? So today we are going to learn about this delicious fruit in Unit 1, Poem 4, Strawberries. Yes, you guessed it right. So strawberries are red, heart-shaped fruits. They are rich in vitamin C, iron and other minerals. They are also used as filling for pastries, pies and cakes. Doesn't it sound yummy to you? I'm sure it does. With this information, let us also understand when and where do we get strawberries in Maharashtra. In India, up to 85% of strawberries are cultivated in Mahabaleshwar, seasons being from October to November and April to May. Some of which are imported from California in the month of June are planted in nurseries in the place like Vai. In the above slide, we talked about the famous destinations like Mahabaleshwar, Vai and California. So Mahabaleshwar and Vai is a part of Satara district in India. And of course, California is a part of Europe. Well, by now you all must be very eager to learn this poem. So why wait? Let's begin. So here we have a short poem. Let's read. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for a bowl or a silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. It is very short and sweet poem, meaning plump, big or fat, vine, a creeping plant that grows up or over things, spice, a substance made from a plant used to give a special flavor to food, trickling, of a liquid flowing slowly. Now let's understand the first stanza. In the first stanza, the poet is making a comparison between the strawberries grown in gardens and the strawberries grown in woods near the stream. So the next slide talks about the comparison between the two. Strawberries grown in gardens are big, juicy and fine, and the woodland strawberries are particularly known for its aroma and its juicy texture. Garden strawberries are plump in shape, so as the woodland strawberries. They are plump too. Garden strawberries are sweet, and woodland strawberries are much sweeter in taste. Strawberries grown in woodland are climbing on the trees, that is, vines. We have reached to the last stanza. As per the poet, to eat such a delicious fruit, one should not use any bowl, silver spoon, or should add any sugar, spice, or cream. Rather, one should be like a wise man who knows that strawberries grown on vines near a trickling stream in the month of June are much sweeter and completely ripen. Hence, can be eaten directly from the tree. So here we have come to an end of the poem. I hope students, you all must have enjoyed learning this poem. However, I have a sincere question to you all. So, do we all agree with the poet's way of eating strawberry? Or you can tell me, how would you like to eat your strawberries? Do let me know in the next class. Till that time, thank you.